Good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Sumiyamas. The topic of my today's presentation is classification of ASICs from Unit 5 ASIC Design and Testing. On completion, the students will be able to classify the different types of ASICs and also differentiate between full custom and semi-custom ASICs. ASIC, Application Specific Integrated Circuit. It is an integrated circuit that is being designed to perform a specific function for a particular specific application. The ASICs are classified as full custom ASIC, semi-custom ASIC, programmable ASIC. Semi-custom ASIC is further classified as standard cell-based ASIC and gate array-based ASIC, which include channeled gate array, channelless gate array and structured gate array. Similarly, programmable ASIC is further classified as complex programmable logic devices, field programmable gate arrays. Full custom ASIC. Here, the engineer can design the full logic cells in the IC. So, this technique is known as full custom ASIC technique. Mixed analog and digital technique is employed to manufacture this IC. All the logic cells are specifically designed for one particular application. CMOS is widely used technology to manufacture this IC. Mixing of analog and digital function are integrated in the same IC, for which CMOS technology suits well. Designers give importance mainly to the performance of the IC. When large volume is manufactured, the overall cost will get reduced. In supercomputer, quality is important, so in this design is mainly being implemented. All mask layers are customized in a full custom ASIC, that is for a specific application. Generally, the designer lays out all cells by hand, and some automatic placement and routing is also done additionally. The critical timing parts are usually laid out completely with hand. And this full custom ASIC design offers the highest performance and reduced cost for a given design. The main disadvantages of this full custom design includes increased design time, design complexity, design expense and highest risk. When the microprocessors are being employed using this full custom design, nowadays the designers are also turning to develop semi-custom ASIC techniques in this area. Semi-custom ASIC. Here all logic cells are pre-designed and some of the mask layers are customized. Standard cell-based design. Standard cells are referred to as AND gate, OR gate, multiplexer, flip-flop, NOR gate, etc. Standard cells can be used with larger predefined cells. Here a design is initially generated automatically using a hardware description language and then a layout is created based on it. In standard cell design, the cells are placed in rows and the rows are separated by using routing channel. All cells in the library are in identical heights, whereas the widths of the cells can be varied to accommodate for variations in the complexity between the cells. A substantial fraction of area is being allotted for signal routing. Gate array based ASICs. In gate array based ASIC, the transistors are predefined on the silicon wafer. Here we have base array, which is nothing but the predefined pattern of the transistors on a gate. And the base cell is the smallest element which is replicated to make the base array, which is also called as the primitive cell. Masked gate array. Interconnect is defined by using top few layers of the metal. This type of gate array is known as masked gate array. Gate array library is provided by the ASIC company. The designer can choose the predefined logic cells from a gate array library and these logic cells are termed as macros. Cell layout is same for each logic cell, but the interconnect is being customized by the designer. It is also called as pre-diffused array because the transistors are diffused at first. The different types of mass programmable gate arrays include channel gate array, channelless gate array and structured gate array. Channeled gate array. This is similar to the cell-based ASIC. The rows of the cells are separated by channels and these channels are used for interconnect. Space between the rows of the cells is fixed in a channel gate array, but in the case of cell-based ASIC, the space between the rows of the cells can be adjusted. The features only the interconnect is being customized and the interconnect uses predefined spaces between rows of base cells. The manufacturing lead time for this array is between 2 days and 2 weeks. Channel-less gate array. Channel-less gate array is also called as channel-free gate array. In this array, there is no predefined space between the rows for routing. Top few layers are used for defining interconnect connections. There are no predefined areas set array aside for routing. That is, routing is over the top of the gate array devices. Each logic cell or macro in a gate array library is pre-designed using fixed tiles of transistors known as gate array base cell. The channeled or channel-less gate arrays may use either gate isolation or oxide isolation. Here, the transistors on the gate array are isolated from one another either with a thick field oxide or by using other transistors that are wired off permanently. Structured gate array. The structured gate array is also called as embedded gate array or master slice or master image gate. It combines some of the features of the cell-based ASIC and masked gate array. In this array, some of the area is used for implementation of specially designed embedded block. Embedded area either can contain a different base cell that is more suitable for building memory cells or a complete circuit block such as a microcontroller. Special features. Only the interconnect is customized. Custom block can be embedded. Manufacturing lead time in this case is 2 days to 2 weeks and the area efficiency is increased along with the increase in performance with lower cost. The disadvantages are the embedded function is a fixed one. For example, if the embedded block is having 32 kilobit memory but the customer needs only 80 kilobit, here 16K memory is getting wasted. Quiz questions on classification of ASICs. List the different classification of ASICs. Compare channeled gate array with channel-less gate array. Thank you.